Before today's video gets started, these banners that you guys are gonna see, I was saying in the video they're gonna be pre-order. We had a couple issues putting mine on, and for that reason, I don't think I wanna pre-order them yet. I wanna work out the kinks, I wanna get a couple more made. Unfortunately, this is the reveal of the banners, but it is not available on the store yet. Enjoy the video. Today we are finally going to be showing the BRZ some love. This thing has been sitting for way too long with nothing happening to it, which is, there's a good reason. And you guys know I've shown you this. I showed you when these wheels arrived. They arrived like, we've had these wheels for like probably almost 3 months and I feel horrible. Before today's video gets started, we did do a merch drop yesterday. So the rest of whatever we didn't sell at Calgary and Toronto was sold on May 15th. And I didn't really tell you guys about it. So if you guys are seeing this, that means there's still stuff there. There's still stuff available. So go get it right now while it's there. I know a lot of you guys have been waiting a long time to see this. And I know actually a couple of you guys I met were like asking me and bugging me. And you guys have been bugging me a lot in the comments lately about what is going on with the wheels on the BRZ. Civic has just been in like this stupid phase where I had to get it finished, and there was like, I had to get it ready for some shows, and I just kind of prioritized it, and then we were moving, and we did a bunch of stuff, and we were finally done, and we were finally ready to put the wheels on the BRZ. So huge apology to all my friends who have helped me with these wheels and tires and everything. Promise, I'm like actually extremely excited about it. I suck, and that's as simple as it gets. But waiting because I'm kind of trying to figure out a direction for the BRZ. So something that you guys know, like I slowly mod this car. This is a car I absolutely love. And I've kind of figured out a direction, took like a huge inspiration from Birdie. You guys will know him as Kings Must Rise. And he does a lot of his own stuff. He does a lot of his own like side skirts, front lips, like diffusers, all that kind of stuff. You don't have to love it, but every time I see it, I just look at it, I'm like, holy shit, like that thing looks so good.
You gotta respect like how different it is from everybody else.
Exactly, like he's got the Lambo doors, yeah, exactly. Like he's got all the stupid 100% shit.
100% custom.
But it looks sick. Anyways, that's the direction we wanna go, so I'm in the process of working on some things for the BRZ, and the best way to start it off is to put some new wheels on it. So before we get any further, we need to show you guys these wheels. Wait till it's on the car, because like a wheel by itself is one thing, but a wheel on the car, completely different. So these are the Aodhan DS01s. I actually got these in a square setup. My old setup was 10.5 in the rear and 8 or something in the front, and I was not a big fan of the different offsets. Like you could clearly tell that the rears were more dish than the fronts. Was not a fan of that. So these ones I got a square setup. They're 18 by 9.5 plus 35 offset all the way around. Oh man, they're so good. They're so good. I hope everybody likes these because I'm stoked. Look at the packaging too. I was actually like, I've never ordered
really well.
Yeah, have you ever ordered wheels before? Like,
no, but if I am, I wanted bought stuff like this.
Right. Like I've never ordered wheels online. I've always got them from like a store, and just like the way they showed up was just
the foam around the lip.
Some good stuff. Oh baby, they're so good.
Oh man.
You forget how good they are, dude. They're so good. They are so good. So these are the DS01s. Like I said, dude, these are
They're unreal.
I know. I don't even want to touch them.
Crazy.
They look so good.
Yeah, I don't want to get fingerprints on them.
They're like Emerson's wheels are gold, but these are like, it's called a vacuum gold, I think it's called. It looks unreal. It looks super good. And they got like a bit of a dish on them. It's kind of hard to see it. Oh, there you can.
I don't know if you'll be able to see the
You got like a little 4-finger dish on them. It's not aggressive, but it's enough to look good.
This is nuts.
It's so cool. I'm trying to be like completely filthy, like have my car completely dirty, and people be like, damn, that thing looks clean. I'm gonna be wrapping the new wheels in Indy 500s again, because I absolutely love the Indy 500s I had on my old wheels. Completely unsponsored opinion, I love these wheels so much that I got them again. So huge shout out to Fitment Industries for hooking me up with these tires. Or I said wheels, they're tires. They're not bad, right? And they're gonna stretch. 255, 35 R18s is what these are. So they're gonna stretch like pretty decently. They'll be nice. Here's the mission. Mission, get these to the, you gonna be okay? Yeah. Mission, get these to the shop without scratching them all. just leaving the wheels here. We were kind of taking our time getting over here, and now I gotta come back and pick them up tomorrow. Kind of okay that we had to drop all the tires because we have something at the house that we have to do before we put the wheels on anyway. Now before I show you this was a, what do you call it? It's like a prototype. This is like a prototype thing. This is the first banner we ever had made. I'm super stoked, and it is in a color that is exactly the same as the wheels. You guys know I love to do, but also may blind everybody on the road. Ready? Ooh. Oh, baby, look at that, dude.
People buy this and then they cut it to the
Exactly. Size. So they're gonna be like a generic like this. So you basically get it, you cut it to the size. We're gonna get them made a little bit longer because this, like I said, this was like a tester. So if you have like a truck, it's gonna be a bigger window. But yeah, so basically what we gotta do, you gotta fold it in half and then mark the center. And then we're gonna mark the center of the card right here. Soak the window and then lay it down and just kind of slide it around until we get it where we want it. Yeah. And then we'll just press it in with like a, we don't have one of those squeegees that we're supposed to have because, you know, we're...
In my car.
Do you?
In my Jeep, yeah.
You are a lifesaver. Here, dude, look how reflective this is.
Ken?
Oh, I creased it. Look, the game is over. I might have put too much soap in the water. We might have a bad soap to water ratio. And we might just be slip and sliding everywhere because of that. What are you doing?
Does it look good, at least? Like,
no.
really?
No, not at all.
Like if I was wearing a do-rag.
If you were wearing anything similar to that, it would still look horrible.
You can use your head to like clean wheels.
Oh man. So yesterday we kind of pooched this and that was 100% my fault. I put too much soap in the water is basically the consensus we have. And you guys know we're the worst car people ever because we don't have a heat gun, we don't have a blow dryer, we have nothing. All the time we need it and we never have it. One of you guys has an extra one, just send it to the PO box because I'm probably never gonna go buy one because I suck. Anyways, we put way too much soap in the water, so this was like bubbling all up here. It wasn't staying, like it wouldn't stick. So I let it dry overnight. I let all the soapy water and stuff dry out from underneath it. Today we're back out here just kind of pressing it down. This spot is the spot where I pooched it a bit. Yeah, it looks kind of bad, but it's not bad. Once you get away from it, you can't really tell because it's so reflective that it just kind of blends in. The camera doesn't even pick up the gloss, like the chrominess of this.
Does it not?
Oh, maybe from here it does. It looks just kind of like a flat color on the camera. Oh, there, that's how you get it.
Yeah.
Hey. We got the go ahead, the wheels are ready to go today, so we're gonna go pick them up. The only other thing that sucks is I ordered lug nuts and they're not here yet. So my lug nuts right now, they're kind of booty. They kind of just look like straight butthole. But that's okay. We're gonna wait. We're gonna get the new ones hopefully this week. For today, we'll rock the booty ones. No way, this thing's got spinners. Oh, baby! That is gangster. Hell yeah! Should we unveil it right now? Should we just show them right now? The tires didn't stretch the way I thought they were going to. I do want to say that. I thought the tires were going to stretch more aggressively because on my old wheels, which were also 9.5s with the same exact tire specs, they stretched a little bit more aggressively. So I'm kind of actually stoked. This looks a little bit meatier than I was expecting. And I don't mind the meat. Give her a good whip. No! Dude, these are sick. Oh, dude, they're actually like the same. This does not shine unless you're like right on it.
But
it looks the same as that. Dude, this is gonna be so cool. The wheel sticks out a little bit, but on my old wheels, the wheel stuck out like this much. So you were bound to rub stuff on the wheels. These ones are a little bit, they just look a little bit meatier. And I'm kind of digging the meats.
Those tuner keys look like buttholes, so.
Those tuner keys are getting replaced.
Yeah.
The new luggies are supposed to be here like tomorrow.
Look at that, that is good.
Yeah.
Like that is good.
But
that camera right there?
Yeah, no way.
With
Absolutely
spacers?
not.
That looks sweet.
Absolutely not.
I'm gonna get a dope roller.
I can see your hands rocking.
She's like,
go back.
ooh, man.
Oh yeah. I'm being so careful because I don't want to scratch these.
Oh, I know.
Like I could have had these on in about 10 seconds if they were ugly wheels. But no. All right, let's see what you're talking about. Oh yeah, dude. Like that's just hot. So these are definitely flashy, but they look so good. Yes, dude, they look so good. The car needs to go a little bit lower, but there's a reason we can't go a little bit lower yet. Literally, the curb out front of the new house is one of those ones that's like the same all the way down the street. So like, we already scrape going in and out, so I can't go lower yet. I'm working on it. Dude, it still looks so good. Like, you cannot tell me that this is not hot. And it's literally just the simplest things, like how those wheels tie in with like the glossiness of the carbon fiber ductile that we just put on, and the banner, which the camera proceeds to not like capture how it looks the exact same as these. Even like the headlights, when I did the headlights and I did this little yellow turn signal actually pops 100 times more now that it ties in with all that stuff. I'm super stoked about this. It's like, it's one of those things where the BRZ's just been on idle, and I hate it. I hate that it's on idle. But it looks so good. I'm so excited for it to be back. So one more time, sorry to everybody. Sorry to you guys, and sorry to my friends at Aodhan Wheels. Sorry to my friends at Fitment Industry. Sorry to everybody for how long this video took. The speed of my life picked up like crazily in the last couple months, and I've just been struggling to like keep up with everything that's been going on. So I'm one more time, I apologize for how long it took. But like, dude. Car right now, the car is just a solid oof. Honestly, I honestly think this is my new favorite place for photos. Or at least just to stand and look. Oof. Oof, that's hot. And it's not too much. I was worried the gold might be too much, but it's not. It's perfect. So that's it. That's all I have. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you guys in the next one. Make sure you check out the links below to both parts that I just put on, the wheels and the tires. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you guys next time. Peace out and stay committed.
Imagine in the summer, dude, looking over, see 5 pieces of shit in the driveway.
Ooh.
5 rusty slow craft cans.